Sorry.
Hi. We have 2. All right, thank you. All right, thank you. Top flight security right here.
Bruh, the audacity for them to write on my window. And he put his signature. They'd even ask.
It's probably gonna stay on there too, watch.
Where's the other one they said they saw?
It's up here behind.
Oh yeah,
Behind our grease monkeys. What's up, grease monkey? Taking care of the whip good, grease monkey.
We have to get our shot over here, and then we wait on this side for about 15 minutes. So we'll be here for a little while. It's starting to rain, drizzle a little.
Yeah.
We'd even bring a jacket.
All down there in Phoenix now, they switched out all their fall stuff to like spring and summer stuff. So
Yep.
literally when you live down in Phoenix, if you want a sweater, you have to shop when it's fall and winter time.
Yeah.
You cannot find a sweater when it's summer or springtime. If you do, it's gonna be at like Greyhound Park, which is what do you call it? A swap meet. That's probably the places where you'll find your sweaters, jackets during the summertime. It sucks down there. But oh well. We're not outside as much anyway, so.
Yeah.
Just laminate your card, so it's kind of really good, like a travel passport.
Yeah.
Because otherwise, people have to quarantine and all that, and you can flash that card.
Right.
All right, so you guys.
Who might be. Just watch out for the truck there.
Okay, all right, thank you. You feeling good, babe?
Yes, I feel great.
Yep, I feel good too.
We're having a honk out surprise for these guys over here. We have all the plates.
You want to see what's in there?
Got all the plates.
Look.
They're coming. Was that awesome? Wow. Ooh, look at that.
Sorry about the colors, that's all I had.
Thank you.
Oh my god.
First official honk out.
Oh, you guys are awesome. Thank you.
You're welcome. That was a serious honk out right there.
That's the way to do it. That's the way to do it.
Got the plates going too.
Yeah, look, got only one left. Only one left. going.
Oh my
7:22, he said.
Yes!
Woo! Oh my
Oh,
yeah! That's so loud! Woo!
That's why he was saying the date and the time.
Vegas, here we come.
Left foot red. Hurry, put your left foot on the red. Put your left foot on the red. Okay, spin it again. Spin it again, son. Okay, leave it. Okay, next one is gonna be right hand red. Right hand red. Yeah, right hand red. Lucy, in your right hand. Put your right hand on the red now.
Turn. Go, baby.
Go, baby.
Okay, put your hand down.
Lexi, you want a soda or anything?
Good job. Wow. Woohoo.
Okay.
Simon says to touch your head. Simon says to jump. Keep jumping, keep jumping. Stop! 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 Okay, you guys all lost. Simon says to stick out your tongue.
Stick out your tongue.
Yeah. Simon says to put your hands in the air and wave it like you just don't care. Okay, good.
Damn.
You're out. Simon says to put your arm out in front of you, both arms. Simon says to put your head down. Simon says to walk toward me and say, ooh. All of you are out.
You got it. Simon says the floor is lava. Simon says to stand back in the line. Simon says to stand like soldiers. Thank you guys for watching the video and hope you guys are enjoying these vlogs we're trying to get out right now. All of, the celebration, everything was just out of spur of the moment. Thank you for everybody who came to the honk out, who just supports us in general. Everybody who's new to the family out there, thank you for the new subscribers. Thank you for all the comments and thanks for the likes. Can't thank you guys enough. All you can say is just keep sharing the videos. That's the only way we could keep getting around. And really, it is getting around. The Series 6 Family channel is starting to come up. So everybody out there, you guys keep doing your part. We'll keep doing our part. And you guys stay tuned. We got a lot more cool videos coming out from our little vacation we had. Series 6 Family out. Bye.